Hi everyone, this is a multimodal cooking assistant powered by Gemini 3 Pro. The idea is very simple. Instead of wondering what do I cook today, just take a photo of your fridge and AI take care of everything like ingredients, recipes, voice instructions and even personalized recommendations also it will give. So I have switched Tamil language. So it will return everything in proper Tamil script with cultural relevant dish styles. So let me start by uploading one fridge photo. Gemini 3 Pro can analyze the image and instantly identify all the ingredients. It can find vegetable, protein, beverages. So now the ingredients are extracted. This app generated complete recipes ideas. These recipes are not random. They are based on what I actually have in my fridge. They are culturally customized depending on the user's language. So I am using my own language Tamil. How beautifully it's given the dish names. So these photo images are generated with the Gemini Flash Image model I have used for this. See the shopping list based on our selected. Okay, let me see the demo how the cooking mode is working.
வணக்கம், நான் உங்கள் AI செஃப். நாம் சமைக்க தொடங்கலாமா? காலிஃப்ளவரை சிறு துண்டுகளாக நறுக்கி சுடுநீரில் சிறிது நேரம் போட்டு எடுக்கவும். காலிஃப்ளவரை சிறு துண்டுகளாக நறுக்கி சுடுநீரில் சிறிது நேரம் போட்டு எடுக்கவும். சோள மாவு, அரிசி மாவு, இஞ்சி பூண்டு விழுது, மிளகாய் தூள் சேர்த்து பஜ்ஜி மாவு பதத்திற்கு கலக்கவும். காலிஃப்ளவரை மசாலாவில் தோய்த்து சூடான எண்ணெயில் பொரித்து எடுக்கவும். காலிஃப்ளவரை மசாலாவில் தோய்த்து சூடான எண்ணெயில் பொரித்து எடுக்கவும். நன்றி, உங்கள் சமையல் ருசியாக அமைய வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Yeah, right. You have seen my cooking mode demo. So when I start cooking, the app reads each step loud using a Gemini TTS model, like text to speech model. So instead of web audio API and creates as a buffers. This is RAG based chatbot. So it will extract the content from the external sources. So like we can get the information from the websites, YouTube.
இப்படி ராஷஸ் தான் வருது. நீ எவ்வளவு பிராக்டீஸ் பண்றியோ அவ்வளவு நினைப்போம்.
Hello friends.
So here I asked how to do a biryani. So it will give the ingredients list and how to do this YouTube content relevant to the biryani recipe. Here is the another language of the English. Let me see this. So here I have given another feature like I get a personalized recommendation. So example I can tell based on my fridge history you can prefer vegetarian options like this. So
Hello, I am your AI chef. Shall we start cooking? Your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Wash and chop the eggplant, zucchini, and bell peppers into bite-sized chunks. Trim the woody ends off the asparagus. Place the chopped vegetables and cherry tomatoes on a large baking sheet. Drizzle generously with olive oil and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and dried herbs. Roast for 25 to 30 minutes, tossing halfway through until the vegetables are tender and slightly charred at the edges. Thank you. Enjoy your delicious meal.
So you can see now is the recommendation based on my previous search. Here you can see the based on recommendation based on my
Shall we start
history.
cooking?
Yeah, that's all. So our FridgeChef AI transform a single fridge photo into a full personalized cooking experience. So thank you for listening and watching for this video.